Hello Internet, Dan Fix here doing another home brewing vlog. Today I'm going to be doing a Shiraz by KenRidge. Let's go ahead and unbox that. Here we go. Here's the ingredients bag. One nice package, all the instructions and such, all the additives. Here we have oak and toasted oak because it is a red wine. We've got some wood shavings to add to it. And of course, the bag of wine. So my 5-gallon pail already has about 4 gallons of filtered water in it. We're going to go ahead and open up the bag very carefully. And pour that into the bucket. After emptying the bag, it's important to wash out the remainder of the wine and add that to the bucket as well. So now I'm going to add the bentonite. Next I'm going to add the toasted oak shavings. Now the 30 grams of premium oak shavings. There's all of the ingredients just resting on the top. That's all totally normal. Bunch of sawdust and bubbles. That's all going to be turned into wine. Now that all of the ingredients are added, put the lid on with a tight seal and stir. Now that all of the ingredients are mixed, it's time to measure the specific gravity. And finally, the yeast is sprinkled on the top of the wine like salt. The lid is sealed with an airlock and let to sit for 7 days.